My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. The human intellect, a faculty that allows us to learn, reason, and solve problems, is a cornerstone of Islamic thought. This lecture will explore the Islamic perspective on intelligence, drawing from the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Quranic perspectives on intellect. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes the importance of reflection and understanding. Here are some key verses to consider. Surah Al-Baqarah. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, the alternation of the day and the night, the ships that sail the sea for the benefit of humanity, the rain sent down by Allah from the skies, reviving the earth after its death, the scattering of all kinds of creatures throughout, the shifting of the winds, and the clouds drifting between the heavens and the earth, in all of this are surely signs for people of understanding. This verse highlights the significance of using our intellect to observe and comprehend the intricacies of Crete. In Surah Zumar Allah says, "Are they better or those who worship their Lord devoutly in the hours of the night, prostrating and standing, fearing the hereafter and hoping for the mercy of their Lord? Say, O Prophet, are those who know equal to those who do not know? None will be mindful of this except people of reason." This verse challenges us to critically examine the message of the Quran. It suggests that a closed mind is a barrier to faith and understanding. And in Surah Al-Hashr Allah says, "And do not be like those who forgot Allah, so He made them forget themselves. It is they who are truly rebellious." This verse connects faith with using your God-given intellect. It implies that true belief involves actively seeking knowledge and applying reason. Hadiths on knowledge and understanding. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, consistently emphasized the importance of acquiring knowledge and fostering intellectual pursuits. Here are a few relevant hadiths. One hadith highlights the reward associated with using your intellect to learn and grow. It motivates Muslims to dedicate themselves to seeking knowledge. And one hadith elevates the value of knowledge and learning, placing it on par with acts of great sacrifice. Historical examples of Islamic intellectualism. Islamic history boasts numerous examples of brilliant minds who used their intellect to make significant contributions. Imam Abu Hanifa, a renowned Islamic scholar, Imam Abu Hanifa was known for his groundbreaking approach to Islamic jurisprudence. He applied reason and logic to existing principles, enriching Islamic legal thought. Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna, Ibn Sina was a polymath who made lasting contributions to medicine, philosophy, and science. His work influenced scholars across disciplines and time periods. Scholars and scientists. Countless Muslim scholars and scientists throughout history have used their intellect to advance various fields. Their discoveries have benefited humanity as a whole. Developing your intellect. Here are some ways to cultivate your intellect within an Islamic framework. Deepen your Islamic knowledge. Dedicating time to studying the Quran, hadiths, and Islamic scholarship broadens your understanding of your faith. Seek knowledge in various fields. The pursuit of knowledge is encouraged in Islam. Consider exploring diverse academic disciplines to expand your intellectual horizons. Engage in thoughtful conversations. Meaningful discussions about Islam and other important topics can stimulate intellectual growth. Conclusion. The human intellect is a gift from Allah. By using it wisely, we can deepen our faith, contribute positively to society, and leave a lasting legacy. Let us all strive to be people of knowledge, reason, and action.